What's going on, guys? Ref here, and today we're going to look at establishing shots, what they are, and why you need them in your films to make it, I guess, to take it to a whole new level. You notice I'm looking very, very wide today. Shooting on the 12mm because that is a nice establishing shot capturing lens. Marco's going to be here very soon. We're going to shoot some epic golden hour footage. Check this out. It's just ripping up over there. So let's get straight into it. Don't waste any time because we've only got an hour before this light disappears. So let's get into it. There he is, the man, the mystery, the legend.
Oh yeah.
You're good, man.
Good. It's beautiful, hey?
How nice. Real quick, how cold is it?
It is bloody cold. I mean, for Perth.
Yeah,
I just spent 6 months living in London.
Yeah.
But I am enjoying leaving the door open, sleeping each night. Nice fresh breeze. Not so good when you're up top of a hill trying to film.
Short Steph, it was the bad choice of time.
And this is Ollie.
Oh my god!
What's up?
Hello.
What's up, Ollie?
Hello. Oh my god, you're so cute. Hello. Ollie, let me pat you. Alright, so first up, what is an establishing shot? An establishing shot is something that you take to set the scene or give context to what you're filming. So currently we are in Revold Park, Revold Hill, Revold Lookout, one of them. In one of those. But basically where we are is we're at a lookout overlooking an amazing view of the ocean and the sunrise. Always the sunrise is happening right behind us. But if you didn't see how we got here, where we are, you wouldn't know where we are. So what an establishing shot does is it gives context to what is actually happening, so then you actually know what is going on and where we are. You are so goddamn cute. Oh god, don't you was. Alright, so now we get to the fun bit of actually showing you guys how to make an establishing shot. So I'll show you my favorites and we'll get straight into it. Alright, so my go-to establishing shots are very similar to my top 5 cinematic drone shots tutorial, which you can check out up here. But basically what I'll do is I'll show you what they are, just so you can see. It's very hard to kind of explain, so I'll just show you. It's a lot easier. So check these out. These are my go-to ones. Hey Ollie. Have a run. What you got? Alright, so why do you need an establishing shot in your films? And the reason is that for us to understand a story, we kind of need to know what's going on. So if you're suddenly, just like today, if I'm suddenly just here and I'm flying my drone, it's like, it's nice, but how'd you get there? Where are you? Like, what is actually going on? There's no context to actually what's happening. So by having an establishing shot, what it does is it sets up the viewer to understand that, okay, this is where we are, this is how we got there. Like you've seen a feature film. If you watch a feature film, they'll always kind of transition you in between shots. Like, they're not just suddenly like at a cafeteria. They'll be, you know, you'll see an outside shot of the cafeteria, or see them walking to the cafeteria or something. There's always something that sets it up, so then you can understand why they're in a certain place. So that is why establishing shots are really important. And just helps the viewer understand what is actually going on, gives context to the situation. Do you have a favourite establishing shot, Marco?
I like the push in. Oh no, actually my actual favourite one is like a slide reveal.
Slide reveal, nice.
Slide reveal, oh yeah.
Like low or high?
Doesn't necessarily. I generally shoot low, but that's because I'm really short.
Drone flying gun.
Yay! Got it!
Finally!
Go fly. Yeah, I will. Ignore update? Yes, I will.
Just do your... Yeah. Perfect. I'm going to throw up the drone, get some shots over here. But I'm freaking cold and hopefully I don't crash because I can't even control my fingers.
Really?
I'm so cold!
building a fort.
Alright guys, so those are my tips to get the best establishing shots you can for your video. It's gonna add so much context and add that next level to your video to help people understand, you know, where you are, what's going on, all that stuff. And I promise you, if you chuck them in, it'll take it to the next level. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know in the comments below what your favorite bit was. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. And I will see you on the next one. See ya.